Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Reviews. And to the left of me is my husband Rick.
Also known as the Goes to 11 Let's Get Schnockered Hour. Tonight's special edition.
Yes.
This is going to be a fun one.
Yes, I hope you like it.
You know what? We got some of the ingredients that I definitely like. Mm-hmm. So, what is it you got? It's the Irish coffee we're doing today?
Yes, we're doing Irish coffee today.
Okay.
You were looking for Christmassy drinks because Christmas is approaching. And the Irish coffee actually fell in that category?
Yeah, it did. It actually did. If you just Google Christmas drinks or whatever, Irish coffee definitely comes up on the list.
Oh,
and I can remember it even, Irish coffee, do you remember back in the 70s and into the 80s, Irish coffees and Spanish coffees were the big thing. Spanish coffees, everybody used to order those, and they had the fluted sort of glasses.
Yes.
Right, and you'd put, was it sugar or something on the rim they put on it? But this is just an Irish coffee, so we got some coffee and other goodies. So
yes, so there's slight variations with the Irish coffee drink. So traditionally you would use Demerara simple syrup, which I have made here. Now, do you know what Demerara sugar is?
It's like golden sugar, isn't it?
It's brown sugar.
Okay.
That is darker.
Mm-hmm.
And the crystals are larger.
Oh, interesting.
Do you remember I used this on one of our desserts and you went, "Ooh, what kind of sugar is this?"
I would never do that.
You didn't like it.
Well,
anyways, it's melted, so.
Okay, don't ruin my special drink here. I'll just take this and hold this over here. And you know what? This, I have to say, this Irish whiskey we're going to use, I don't know those of you out there who happen to like whiskey or whatever. This Irish whiskey, Kilbeggan, is amazing. And I've been a fan of it for a few years now. You bought this for me for my birthday one time. And it's awesome. Really just a very nice whiskey for an Irish whiskey. And then we're also doing an eggnog, rum and eggnog. Yes,
you were talking about some missing ingredient in last week's eggnog latte.
Bacardi Black.
So I thought I would correct that to appease you. And make you all happy.
There you go.
Okay, I'm
gonna get me signing contracts, life insurance policies, and addendums.
So I'm taking 1 tablespoon, which is half an ounce. I'm pouring it into the coffee.
Okay, and that's just into, what kind of coffee you got going on there?
It's just a decaf.
Oh, we're doing decaf, okay.
Yeah, because I thought, it's the evening time.
You'd have the caffeine and the alcohol working against each other. Let's just get everything just going.
Yes. Okay, so I've got that in there.
Okay.
Let's do a little stir.
Okay. And what else?
And then I need you to pour 2 tablespoons, which is the equivalent to 1 ounce. So I put about 4 ounces of coffee. I did about 4 ounces of coffee.
Okay.
All right, now got that stirred in there. Whew, I can smell that.
2 precious ounces.
Okay. I'm being a little lazy.
Didn't make your own whipping cream? Yeah.
Well, and you're supposed to whip it so it's not super whipped. It's just a little bit whipped, a little bit runny, and then just carefully, like on the back of a warm spoon, pour it on top so you get that nice layer. But being busy people, this is acceptable.
Being lazy people.
Did I say lazy? I said busy.
It's okay. She's gonna pull arm hair here any second. I can feel it coming.
What did I say?
Come Come on, you lazy, busy person. Let's go.
Definitely not lazy. So just nice and slow so it sits on top.
Another drink that I'm going to have to sift through my mustache. That's good.
Oh, well.
Don't make it get so thick I won't be able to get at the booze.
So the whole point is to make it so
You get
it
the layer.
doesn't mix.
Right. So you're supposed to get that nice little layer on the top.
Mm-hmm.
That looks great.
And then, hey, we have some Demerara sugar.
Oh, you're just going to ruin it now.
No, it's going to make it super yummy.
That's what you said last time. It wasn't. Okay, am I doing the first?
Yes.
Skål. Skål.
Is that Norwegian or something?
Yeah.
What's your...
Mmm.
How is it? No, really, how is it? Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's really good, eh?
Yeah.
Not too strong.
Mm-mm.
Flavor-wise, it's good.
Mm.
The coffee's good.
It's good. And you know what? That Demerara sugar is good on the top.
Awesome.
Mm.
Can I try now?
Back off. Get your own sandwich.
Not this again.
You're not going to like it. You don't like whiskey.
I do. I like Fireball whiskey and peanut butter whiskey.
Yeah, those aren't whiskeys.
But they are.
No, they're tasty treats. Those aren't whiskeys. Those are like the candy drinks at the bar loaded with sugar to get you really schnockered to have a really bad hangover the next day. This is good whiskey. Anytime I try to get you to have a shot of whiskey with me, you're like,
Interesting. It is nice.
It's very nice. You know what I like about it too is that it actually, typically if you drink like the hard alcohol like a scotch or a whiskey or whatever, it already has that warming sensation when you drink it, but you're also getting it from the warm coffee, which is really cool because it's. Can I have a bat?
Well, we have one more to try. But this time we're going to put rum. Rummy rum. I'm glad you like it.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice after dinner drink, evening drink.
Yeah, exactly. It's supposed to be that sort of treat after you've had a meal kind of thing. You can sit back and visit with company.
Yes. Okay.
This is the eggnog.
So this is the eggnog.
And I'm going to sacrifice
Latte.
some Bacardi Black in there.
Do you want to?
Is the Pope Catholic?
And okay, there you go. An ounce. Mixy mix. Do you want whipped cream on that too?
No. On rum and eggnog?
Yeah, it's a latte.
Yeah, sure. But it's okay. We can rum and eggnog. We got coffee on here, don't we?
Woohoo!
Tune back in a half hour, folks. This show's gonna be fun. Wow. That really smells like a rum and eggnog, like, boom.
Mm-hmm.
Like, smell.
Mm.
Wow.
It's very nice.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh dear.
Oh, that's good. That's that is dynamite good.
Okay.
Oh my god. Like, seriously?
Yeah.
We had this talk in the car earlier today. We were talking about eggnog, and when you're a kid, you like all the real heavy, thick, fatty, sugary things. You love that stuff. Mm-hmm. As an adult, my taste buds changed, and for me, drinking regular eggnog, I might as well be drinking buttermilk. Okay, it's just like way too. And so I always get the light eggnog is what I like.
Which I didn't the first time.
But the light eggnog, you still get all the flavors. It's just not as heavy, you know, and you still get the same sensation out of it in the drink, as far as I'm concerned. This is amazing. And if you're wanting to have, you know, that flavor of the eggnog and you know, the coffee, I'm gonna see. Wow.
What are you allergic to? The booze.
People taking my booze over. This is really good.
Oh dear. Which do you prefer?
Just pour both together. Try that. That is dynamite good. This is really good as well, though. Like, I have to tell you, both drinks are perfect for the holidays.
It is really nice.
Right?
You can taste the rum, but just a smidge.
Yeah, it's not like it's overpowering. Like that 1 ounce
And
shot.
it goes really well with the eggnog. And there's coffee in there too.
Yeah. No, but
One shot of espresso.
1 shot of espresso?
Yeah, not a double.
Did we happen to use, let me guess, Lions Bay coffee?
Yes. Decaf.
Were we still swimming in Lions Bay coffee?
Yes. We still have another bag to open.
Wow. It's good stuff. I'm loving it. These are great. They're even better when they're sitting in front of me.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, so?
That is great. You know what? Good job. Which one did you like better?
Let me try that first one again.
That's really tasty.
Wow.
They're both really good.
They're different.
Oh, night and day different, because one's a whiskey and one's a rum, right? But to me, you know, like the rum and eggnog one, to me is like total full-on Christmas drink.
Dessert.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
This one would be, to me, much more, okay, we've had our dinner, we're sitting back. This you could have sort of as a dessert almost.
Yeah,
This
it's
is
quite sweet.
Yeah, this one.
Even though I didn't add any of that syrup.
Yeah, and you wouldn't want to.
No.
No.
And the 1 tablespoon of simple syrup here, you don't really notice that it's all that sweet.
No, and so this one to me would be, okay, you've had your dinner, dessert, whatever, and you're sitting and visiting with people and let's get the party started. That's that one there.
Fair.
So, and this one here, I mean, the problem with this one here, I can tell you right now, you could knock these back real fast. Like you could.
This is a little more sophisticated, I would say.
I don't know about sophisticated. It feels like more of a punch, right?
Okay.
Right. And even though they're both the same amount of alcohol. Like
Yeah.
they're both 1 ounce, and the Kilbegans is 40%, and the Bacardi Black is 40%. So it's the exact same amount of alcohol in it. But this one to me, the eggnog one is much. It's just easy to drink. It's really smooth, really something you can just knock back and not even think about it. And where this one here, you feel like you actually are having more of an alcoholic beverage.
Yes.
Right. So,
Well put, hon.
yeah, well, it has to be again in a half hour.
Here you go.
There we go.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Job well done.
Thank you.
For a lazy person, busy person. She's not lazy.
You saved yourself. Don't edit that out.
Critical damage. Take cover. Eject. Eject. Eject.
We have so much fun together.
We do. We do. So, all right, folks, it's going to be even more fun after we have some of this. Anyways, you have yourselves a great one. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like button on there. Hit the subscribe button and that reminder bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Please visit our store, groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca and groundsfordivorcecoffee.store if you're out of country, US, international, etc. And next week, Next week's going to be, what date is next
I
week?
think it's the 19th.
Something like that. It's getting close to Christmas. It'll be our episode before Christmas.
Yeah,
So we have a surprise.
we do.
We do. We have some festive surprises
Oh.
that we will be adoring and presenting. So tune in next week. It'll be a lot of fun. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Ciao, ciao.